Hey guys, it's Jess. So FOREO sent me this. This is the mini. There is another version, but just like twice the size of this. So it has an electrical current that does amazing stuff for, fine lines and your skin. I just wanted to say that it's like a little facial for yourself. You do it like 3 minutes every day. I do it every night after a shower. It came with this little tray like that. And then they also sent me this serum, and you have to use a serum to get the balls rolling. In the footage that I show you, you just see me just like basically I have this on. You could power it on. There's different levels. I like 3. The third, the strongest current. So you just literally, and voila, your face feels tight. It feels taken care of. So it's great. It really helps, put in the serums and like penetrate. If you guys are interested in that, I'll leave a link so you could check it out and have a good time with your skin. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below and maybe I can answer it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. All right, so here's my review. Honestly, I feel like I had a facelift. My face feels like so tight. I'm not wearing any face makeup, just sunscreen and serums. And like, can you see? I mean, the difference? It just looks really good. I'm using the Bear every single night. On the app, there's different like tutorials and it's like a workout for your face. So you're like watching like how to do the motions because I don't know what to do. Do I press hard? No. These tutorials show you exactly what to do, how to hold it, so you're not like in the dark. So I love it. It's gorgeous and so cute. And I will leave a link down below so you guys can get one if you'd like. And can't wait to see more results. I cannot believe after like literally one use, I felt the difference in my skin. Literally 11 out of 10. So good. All right, thank you guys for watching and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.